Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold and silver corrected. Gold corrected by 0.31% and closed at 50,830. Silver closed 0.17 lower and closed at 63,691. The trend of gold and silver are expected to down on the development of coronavirus vaccination. This will impact boost the major economies, and due to this, we are expecting a fade out safe haven demand of the gold. Gold has a strong support at 50,500, resistance at 51,200. Silver support at 62,200, resistance at 64,900. The trend of gold and silver are negative, so trader can go for short in gold and silver for intraday perspective. If we talk about the base metal, yesterday we have noticed that all base metal increased sharply. Copper increased by 0.99% and closed at 546.80. Zinc also increased sharply by zinc closed at 0.95% and closed at 213.50 levels. Aluminium prices also increased. Aluminium closed by 0.60% and closed at 160.20 levels. The trend of base metal are positive on the expectation of coronavirus vaccination development. The trend of base metal are positive. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 539, resistance at 554. Zinc support at 211, resistance at 216. Lead support at 151, resistance 156. Aluminium support at 158, resistance 163. Nickel support at 1177, resistance at 1209. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Yesterday we have seen crude oil prices increased sharply by 2.74% and closed at 3074 levels. In international markets trading around $41.5057 per barrel. The trend of crude oil is positive. For intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 2960, resistance at 3190. We are recommending buy in crude oil for intraday perspective, as the trend of crude oil is positive on the back of expectation of increased demand due to development of the coronavirus, and expected to resume of the major economies. So we are expecting a positive trend may continue in base metal and crude oil. So trader can go for buy in base metal and crude oil for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.